Hi, I'm Norma with Two-Way Radio Center. Today on What's in the Box, we'll see everything that comes in the box with your standard Horizon HX210 and talk about some key features. Some of the key features of the HX210 are: it is a floating radio, it is submersible with IPX7 waterproof rating, it can pick up NOAA weather channels as well as FM radio bands from 76 MHz to 108 MHz. It has programmable function keys, an integrated strobe light that can be used as a flashlight or as a locator if the marine radio is submerged. I'll show you how that works after we see what's in the box. When you open your box, first you'll find the user manual for your HX210, the HX210 marine radio, the charging cable with a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, a belt clip and wrist strap, the antenna for your radio, a European plug adapter, a charging cradle, and a charging cable with a wall plug. Now I'm going to demonstrate how the water-activated flashlight works. As soon as the radio drops in the water, it powers on and the flashlight shines within seconds. The radio floats until you can retrieve it and is waterproof for up to 30 minutes in 1 meter of water. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 855-770-7194 or visit us at twowayRadiocenter.com. And remember to use coupon code YT for 10% off your order.